Hello everyone, today we're checking out the Artestia 1800 watts electric grill. This was sent to me by Artestia for review, but as always, all opinions are my own. Let's do a quick unboxing. First inside the box is your manual, 5 non-slip feet, support part to ensure the barbecue won't tip when placed on the table. This is the part that goes to your thermometer, top stand tube, bottom stand tube. Here's the extra smoker box, grill plate, cover handle, grease collection tray, center base for the feet, thermostat with mains cable, main barbecue housing. Here's the metal cover with a nice Artestia branding on top. Here's the serving tray with 2 cup holders. Lastly, here's your thermometer to help you monitor the cooking temperature. Everything was packed securely and each part feels solid and well made. Assembly was very easy. I followed the manual step by step and it was clear, simple and easy to understand. All the parts listed in the manual were included, nothing missing, so the whole process went smoothly. The stand tubes and base fit together without any forcing, and the non-slip feet lock into the center base securely and there's no screw required. The support part also attaches cleanly, giving the grill extra stability if you're placing it in a table instead of using the stand. Once the stand was assembled, placing the main barbecue housing on top was straightforward. The grill plate fits perfectly on top and the cover handle attaches easily to the metal lid with the Artestia branding. The thermostat plugs in firmly and the temperature dial feels solid. Overall, the assembly process was smooth, beginner friendly, and took me only a few minutes. Before I even started cooking, I really appreciated the size and portability of this grill. We live in an apartment and our patio is the perfect spot for it. It's compact enough to fit comfortably without taking up too much space, but it's still large enough to cook a full meal for us. I also want to mention that I already own a portable gas grill, but it always requires small gas canisters, so that means constantly buying refills and worrying about running out in the middle of cooking. With this electric grill, I don't have to deal with that anymore. I am planning to bring this in our camping, so I tested it with our DJI 1000 power station and it worked great. It heated fast and it stayed consistent the whole time. It definitely drained the battery fast down to about 5%, but it still finished cooking our pork chops and zucchinis perfectly. There's no power drops and there's no interruptions. That tells me that we can still bring this grill along for family camping trips as long as we manage our battery or bring extra power. For the actual cooking test, I made the grilled zucchini, pork chops, and pork belly side cuts. The grill handled all of them really well. I cooked the zucchini on the flat panel area and the pork chops and pork belly on the grill section. Both sides performed really well. The flat panel gave the zucchini a nice even cook, while the grill area added great texture and grill marks to the meat. For the heating performance, this grill heats fast. Even when powered through the DJI 1000, it reached cooking temperature quickly and held heat evenly across the surface. After cooking, I checked the grease tray. There's no spills and there's no overflow. The plate did its job, grease dripped down cleanly, and the tray caught everything. This is a big deal for indoor grilling because it keeps the smoke low and cleanup easy. I haven't used this smoker box yet, but it's great that they included one. If you ever want that rich wood-fired smoky flavor, you can add wood chips and use it like a mini smoker without needing a full charcoal or gas grill. Overall, I'm really happy with this grill. It's the perfect size for our apartment patio and being able to power it with our DJI Power 1000. Even though it drained the battery fast, that means we can still bring it for camping or outdoor trips. I also love that I don't have to keep buying small gas canisters like I do for my portable gas grill, so there's no worrying about running out in the middle of cooking. We usually grill about 3 times a week, and for that kind of regular use, this has been a solid upgrade for us. It heats fast, cooks evenly, and cleanup is simple. If you want to check this out, link is in the description. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.